My name's Liz. I'm with an organization called Eco Urban Gardens, and we are a nonprofit farm-to-table and farm-to-school. So our main program is farm-to-school, and on the next slide, you'll see a photo of our students here. So right now we're in 5 different schools. We're a relatively young organization, and our idea is to bring the garden to the school site so the schools don't have to worry about bringing the students to different locations. We found that a lot of schools were coming to us saying, hey, we want your program, but we can't afford buses to bring our students out to like Cal Poly Pomona to look at an actual farm. So we decided to bring the farm to the school. And as you can see in this photo, we've got on the right, our school in El Monte, Arroyo High School. They're planting an apple tree. They were really excited about that. And on the left is from Rosemead High School in the same district. And here's some photos of some of the food they produced this last year. And everything that the students produce gets used in their culinary arts program. So the students actually learn to build the soil through composting, cultivate the product, harvest it, and then bring it to the culinary arts kitchen. That's a pretty key component of our program. We realized that just teaching them how to grow and harvest wasn't enough. They weren't actually eating any of the vegetables that we were harvesting. So what we realized is that we had to show them how to cook it, how to eat it, how to make it taste good. Most of my students looked at me and like, ew, I am not eating that. And now we're noticing that just in the last 2 weeks that students are harvesting beets and eating them raw right out of the ground. I was totally blown away. It was great. We also incorporate a lot of environmental science into our programming. I really want to push the fact that food and sustainability need to go hand in hand in order to be successful. So we teach the students how to build swales and berms and hugelkultures. On the left, you'll see a swale that the students installed, and on the right is a hugelkultur where one of our students actually, when his grandfather passed away, he wanted to plant a white sage in honor of his grandfather, which he did on the hugel. So we try and incorporate that family and mental health aspect in it too. So it's really like a all-around program that focuses on every part of your life. So we were very lucky to be the recipients of the Legacy Grant from USGBC this year, and this is the kind of rough draft of what the garden at Arroyo High School is going to look like. So this section is the section we're working on with USGBC. It's going to be called the Regenerative Learning Garden, and it's going to focus all on California natives and drought-tolerant species. We've already finished this section of the garden here. It's about 20 raised beds and 12 fruit trees. And the final phase of our project is going to be an aquaponic greenhouse that will be a closed loop system showing different methods of growing vertical plants and just unique ways to grow plants if you live in an apartment or a small space. So thank you very much.